Now the engine has come from the lathe work. We have did work of body bush, timing pin, tappet valve and guide too. Now in this we will fit new bearing. In this we have changed connecting cone of crank, new crank bush and the crank pin also. In this engine these all parts will be changed. This is the engine bearing, primary chain, oil pump set, clutch plate, all oil seals, rocker arm set and cam wheel too. Last but not the least, oil filter also. In bullet engine bearing, it is better to add arrowlet and MCL mix as there is chances of bearing coming out after years of working of it. See, Dad has fixed it now with arrowlet and MCL mixture so that even after running for many years it won't come out easily. After fixing the bearing from this hole by putting oil, we need to check whether the oil is going inside properly or not. See, Dad is putting oil in the hole. We can see that if this oil is going properly or not. See, it is very clear that the oil is going properly. This side is perfect. Now we will check it from the other side hole too. From this hole also it is going properly. You can see it. See, it went through it. Before fitting any engine, you need to check this properly. Now we will check oil circulation by putting oil in timing shaft hole. After putting oil in the shaft, do working of the connecting rod by moving it up and down little bit. If the oil comes up after going down, it means there is no problem, it is perfect. Here you can see this. After few minutes of working, it will come up. You can see that oil has gone down, but after moving the connecting rod, you can see that it will come up now. See, the oil has come up, which means the shaft and all the circulation is proper here. Crank is also rotating freely here. After tightening of all engine bolts and stud, you need to check whether the crank is moving freely or not. Here it is very much free. Now daddy is fitting the filter plug. Now we have fixed the Delco oil seal. This is the Delco shaft. Now we will fix the Delco with the casing.
Screwdriver.
Fully tighten it properly. See, this is the point plate. We have fixed this also. In this bullet, the block and piston are good, so we are just going to change the piston ring. This is the block packing.
Engine.
Now we are fixing piston on the connecting rod. Now we are putting the block. Now we will fix the block by applying little bit oil inside it so that it will be fixed easily. First fix it carefully around the ring so that it is fixed equally from all the sides, and then press it down. Check whether it is moving freely or not. Here it is free now. Tighten the block stud nut properly. If you like our videos, do like, comment share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.